Hi everyone, my name's Brian Youell. I'm the Master Superintendent of Uplands Golf Club. It's Friday, April 17th, and just want to give you a brief update on a few of the things we've been working on the golf course. The big thing this week is we did some vertical mowing on fairways to reduce the organic matter, what we call thatch. It'll help air and water movement in the profile as well as firm up the fairways. We removed enough material to fill up 12 dump truck loads, so it should be a big improvement in playability this summer. We've also continued to have work done on the clubhouse, some touch up and prep work as they get ready to paint the clubhouse. And we put our pond pumps in today, and we used our biological treatments for managing algae and growth. And we're doing some stump grinding today as well, just trying to get the golf course ready for when the members come back. Wish everybody a nice weekend and stay safe, and we'll see you soon at Uplands Golf Club.